Hey guys, how's it going? Carlos back with another video, and we're kicking off our SDK series with the Python to MarpleDB upload demo. So I've created in MarpleDB a data stream called the Python SDK data stream. Effectively, I'm running explain following a test card and pushing the data from the wonderful physics model of the Cirrus Jet to my IDE that is running the Marple Python SDK. I'm pushing the raw simulator data. I'm going to also combine it with metadata from user information, such as the upload time and the actual user using the computer at the time, as well as a more complex and specific demo, such as the METAR, or the meteorological information on upload. So how are we going to do this? I'm here in the Python SDK data stream. Of course, I could just upload a file normally like this, but since we have the SDK here in the connect section, Python SDK, let's visit the documentation and we'll follow the import a file demo. We don't have to follow it here. Of course, I have something ready for you. We have import the Marple data package. We're pushing to the Python SDK data stream, this file in particular with the metadata source SDK, which I've made mandatory in the MarpleDB interface. The user information, so the upload time and the pilot in command, so the get user in this case, and the current meteorological report for the Lima Echo Papa Alpha Palma de Mallorca airport at the time of upload, and then we push it. Since I started speaking, actually, I was pushing the file. So if I come here to data streams, we come here, we see that there's now a third file. And in this case, it has all the attached metadata as well as all the raw data. All of this and much more always in our documentation, of course. And I'll see you next week.